I'm Kyle Kelliher, and thank you for taking a look at my UpWork profile. I specialize in CAD design and modeling. For this introduction video, I will be designing what's called a maker coin, just so you can kind of see how I work. So you can see how much I can get done in a short period of time. Let me see how long we've been going here. So right now, this video is at 7 minutes and started pretty much from scratch. Again, I had the vector graphics ready, but the vectors are not the time-consuming part. If you had a logo you wanted me to put onto a product, you probably already have your logo in a vector format. There's anything that needs to be typed out, I can just pretty much make an image file. That's just as easy as taking a picture. It's not time consuming at all. Again, something like this in total, I would probably refine it just a little bit more here and there, touch it up in small places, but in total it would take me maybe an hour. So if you like what you see here, and feel free to reach out. I always am willing to have conversations and interviews about your project, and I really just want to make my customers happy. I want to find new clients, and I'm just being real with you guys right now. So again, thank you so much for watching, and if this seems like a good fit, then feel free to reach out. Thank you.